How to set up and run JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up and run JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to Google and search for Node.js and then click on this website over here. And here you're going to click on download node.js. And once you click on that, you'll be able to see that the download process has begun and it will download shortly. And once it's downloaded, you gotta click on the wizard and you can just follow along the wizard in order to install the Node.js. So you can see that it is done right now. And once it is completely installed, I'm going to click on it like this and it will open a wizard in front of me that will look something like this. You're going to click on next. And then you can see that I already have Node.js. So I'm just going to click on change, repair, or anything. So if you already don't have it, you got to simply click on next and select the file location where you wish to install it. So once you have installed it, you got to go to the search bar and then you got to search for Node.js. So you simply go to the Windows search bar, type in Node.js, and you can see that this is over here. So what you got to do is simply click on open file location and you will be redirected to the node.js file location. Then you're going to select this, right click on it again, and then click on open file location. And here is the node file location. So you're going to click on this here at the top and you're going to simply copy this file path. Go to the search bar and type in environment. And this is edit the system environment variables. So simply click on it and then you're going to click on environment variables. After that, you're going to select over here path, click on edit. And here you'll be able to see there is a path that says C program files Node.js. However, if you're not able to find it over here, you can simply click on new over here and then you can paste in the path that you just copied. You can see that it is same like this one because I have already added it before. So once you're done with that, you can simply open your command prompt. So simply type in command prompt. So over here, you're going to type down node and a -v and it would say your node version and then type in npm v, that is node package manager, and this is this version. That means it's correctly installed. After that, you could head over to your Google again, type in VSCode download if you don't have it already on your computer. So simply download it for Windows and then you can complete the wizard to download it completely. Then you're going to head over and open your VSCode. Go to files over here at the top left and then you're going to click on new file. Give your file a name. For example, I'm going to write new.js and then you're going to select the place where you wish to save it. Then click on create file. And then you're going to click on extensions over here and search for JavaScript. And you're going to install a JavaScript over here. So you can simply select any of it. Make sure that you're selecting the one that is, good in the market right now. Like you can use this in, that is JavaScript ES6. So simply click on it and you can, install the specific version. And then you're going to download the code runner. Simply type in code runner, press enter. And then you're going to install this one over here, that is .run. It has 32.9 million downloads right now. So it is very good right now. It's by Junhan. And once done, you can simply go to the file over here. You can see this is the file that I created. So simply type in something like console.log. And then you can type in like new.js loaded. And after that, you can simply run this. To run this, you can simply click on run over here and click on run without debugging. Set a debugger, for example, in our case, it's Node.js. Now you can see the output that is new.js loaded. So that is basically how you can set up and install JavaScript on VS Code. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.